Hello, in this video, we'll talk about how to add image of your logo to the curve of 3D model. So the 3D model design software we will use in the Bamboo Studio. It's made by Bamboo Lab and it is free for use. Okay, and to do that, let's open the software and we will right click the surface and add a primitive. We will add a cylinder, okay? Then we will make it larger so you can see it clearly. Okay, so that's the 3D model. So we will add an image, our logo, to this curved surface, okay? So to add the image of your logo, you must make sure it is SVG file. Okay. So if you don't have the SVG file, you can use a PNG file. But the PNG file you need a transparent background. Okay. For example, I search online and find the image and the the color we select transparent, okay? And it's better to be a line drawing, so it's like this. We save the PNG file, save it, and then we will using PNG to SVG, okay? So we can select the first one of whatever you want. Free convert is what I'm using to convert PNG to SVG. Okay, so we need after we convert it to SVG file. Let's go back to the 3D design, and you select the surface and right click. You need add modifier. Okay, here you have a SVG option. Click that. And then you select the SVG file, open. It will open the SVG file, okay? It is too big, so you need to edit the size. So in my case, I added as 60. Maybe it's too big. I change that to 50, okay? And let's see. So it's like this. But if you go to the side, you can see it is not drawing to the curve. Okay, it's actually it's flat. So you can go back to the side menu, change to object, and select the elephant. Right click, edit SVG. Okay, go back to this menu, and you select use surface. Okay, after you surface, you can see it actually curved the elephant itself. Okay, the the software automatically curve it. So if you want to move it, you can click the yellow square here to move it. Okay, and you can see it's actually it's add to the surface. If you want cut it, that means it cut inside the cylinder, but you cannot use change the color of that. So you'd better use the drawing option, okay? And change the size. That's the thickness, okay, dips. Now you can see it's like this. Then next step, you want to change the color, okay? So double click and change the color to yellow. Let me change that to uh, let's change that to the put the red color, and then we will add it again. See if we cut it, not cut it, modify, and it's actually, yeah. See, the modifier is inside the curve, okay, inside the calendar, okay. So let's preview. It's easy to see. If you go down, you will see it's actually cut inside the calendar, and the color is inside the cylinder. Okay, so that's how you automatically curve the image and uh, our logo to the curved image. Yeah, curved 3D mode. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.